Hello dear children, welcome back to your GK online class. This is your new lesson number 18, Amazing Animals. So let's start. The question is here, against the following statements about the animal world, write T for true and F for false in the boxes. Number 1. The ostrich lays the biggest egg in the world, weighing almost 1 kg 400 grams. This statement is true. Number 2. Alligators have long pointed snouts. This statement is false because the snout of an alligator is broad and U-shaped. Number 3. The Texas blind salamander has eyes that are adapted to live in dark underground environments. This statement is false because they do not have eyes. Number 4. The Bactrian camel has 2 humps. This statement is true. Number 5. Polar bears can swim in water. This statement is true. Number 6. Gibbons are one of the fastest primates. This statement is true. Number 7. Boa constrictors are the longest snakes in the world. This statement is false because the reticulated python is considered to be the longest snake in the world. Number 8. Marsupials are a type of mammals that lay eggs. This statement is false because marsupials give birth to premature babies. Number 9. Pangolins are mammals with scale instead of hair on their bodies. This statement is true. Number 10. Eels are a type of snake that live in water. This statement is false because eels are a kind of fish. Number 11. Kangaroos use their tails for balance. This statement is true. Number 12. Spiders have 2 body parts and 8 legs. This is true. Number 13. The white tiger is a rare form of the African tiger. This statement is false because white tigers are a variant of Bengal tigers. Number 14. The moose belongs to the rhinoceros family. This statement is false because moose is the largest member of the deer family. So dear children, I hope you understood this lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.